Good morning, guys. Today is going to be our first day back to school after me unwillingly giving my kids a whole month off of summer. It kind of just happened. It wasn't planned at all, but that's what happened. So today we are going to ease our way. I am going to have patience. I will have patience. I will be happy. I will not get frustrated. And right now I'm waking up the kids. I have a couple of sleepyheads. So in the mornings we like to watch a show. Well, I like for them to watch a show. It helps them to wake up and then they get up and do their morning chores. So today we are checking out the Good and the Beautiful Kids YouTube channel. And my son is still rolling out of bed, so I'm putting it on for my daughter. And she really enjoys the playlist of the Baby Animal series. So that is what we're gonna put on now. If you've just seen my homeschool room tour, you'll see that I just added a TV to my room for many different reasons. One of them is actually, it has nothing to do with the kids, but because it's here, this is where they're gonna watch their morning videos. So I went on YouTube on my TV and the Good and the Beautiful Kids website, YouTube channel, actually, not their website, their YouTube channel. And here is the playlist. I clicked on playlist. It says create a playlist, and here is the Baby Animal series. So we're gonna check this out. All right, want to start from the beginning, Arlen?
My name is Heidi, and these are my baby goats. God created baby goats so they know exactly how to survive. Just a few minutes after they're born, they're able to stand up on their wobbly legs and start looking for milk. They even know just where to find it. The mama goat stands still, lets her baby nurse. She can tell by the smell that it's her baby. Here, this mama had a single baby. This mama has twins.
Child using our pre-K course on goodandbeautiful.com.
My name is Heidi, and these are my ducklings. They're almost 2 weeks old. We have been keeping them inside under a heat lamp.
Those videos are just perfect to get her waking up in the morning. It's geared towards the younger ages, but there's alphabet videos, seasons videos, there's animal videos, there's some musical multiplication on there. Lots of wonderful things for you to share with your children while you're cooking dinner, for your morning work, before bedtime, during their school, anytime at all. So I'm gonna leave that YouTube video link in the description. I'm gonna go drag my son out of bed and then start breakfast for them so we can start our summer morning schedule.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down?
So today is a bit of a busy day. It's already gonna be 12 because we are in this wacky summer schedule, but we are gonna ease our way out of it. My oldest daughter has a dentist appointment today. My youngest daughter has gymnastics right after. And I have to go pick up my glasses, our contacts. But at nighttime, I prefer to have some glasses and get these things out of my eyes. So I have to go pick those up. I'm making my breakfast now. So what's gonna most likely happen is we're gonna eat together, probably watch a little bit more of the World Watch News. And then we are going to sit on the couch and read our Read Out Loud, which is The Horse and His Boy from the Chronicles of Narnia. All right, kids are eating breakfast. Sneak peek over there. Then I also took out meat for dinner, which I'm probably gonna have to cook pretty early today because of the dentist appointment. So I just wanted to fill you in on that. Okay, so I set up my son's little space here. He's going to be finishing up his handwriting 5 as I read the Chronicles of Narnia. I do a chapter. After that, we are going to do our morning loop basket. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, check out my 7th grade or 3rd grade curriculum choices. But my basket is right over here. And there's lots of goodies in there. So I'll let Aaron pick what he wants to do today. So we are going to do that right now. And then Aaron's going to start his typing from the Good and the Beautiful typing. And I just got him, his father just bought him an iPad. And I just got him the attachable keyboard. So that's where he's going to start doing his math videos. That way his phone is not distracting him. And he's going to be able to do all his typing and things on there as well.
Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders to get where we are. And it's all for you, it's all for you.
At some point today, when the kids are busy, I have to do my elbow exercises. I broke my radio head back in April, and my arm is still having a lot of trouble. So I just started physical therapy yesterday, and I've been sent the exercises. I woke up, my entire body woke up sore this morning from physical therapy for my arm. So I have to go twice a week, and I have all the videos of the little exercises that I have to do. So that'll be something I'm going to try and squeeze in today too. But right now, let's check this math.
It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you.
All right, so we're going to read a chapter from the Ology before we start the Radical Book for Kids, and a chapter of America's History from Tuttle Twins. The Bible is full of places where it tells us that we are in Christ and with Christ. Every time you see in Christ or with Christ, think of Noah's Ark and how Noah and his family were safe from the storm inside the ark. It means that everything that Jesus has is now ours. Because Jesus is the Son of God and we are in him, we are also God's sons and daughters. Today is the first day that we're going to be reading America's history. And I'm enjoying just reading the introduction because it talks about how real history, not real history, but the history that we've been taught was written by the victors, and we only get part of the story. So this book aims to give both sides about the country. So yes, we're starting typing right now. So here is the iPad case for Aaron. And Aaron, you also have a place for a stylus. We can buy you a stylus. It goes here. They're just really expensive. And then this is the keyboard that comes with it, and it's magnetic. I like your backgrounds, Aaron. Okay. And then you're gonna press. I'll show you how to open everything up. Okay. Remember the keys where your hands go. It's just remembering because the last time you did it, you were really little. Okay, Aaron, you read? You read the right hand position?
Yeah.
So you're gonna be like this, not like this, okay? Aaron's done his typing lesson, so he's going to get a snack, and when Aaron's done, she'll get a snack, and I'll get a snack. And then I'm gonna do history with Aaron, and I'm going to have Arilyn do her solo reading. Or I should probably look at the block schedule and try to find that, figure that out. The block schedule is gonna start when we start like for real school. So today I really need to do history with Aaron, so that's what's gonna happen. We'll skip the block schedule for
Can I
today.
eat now?
So another reason why typing is important is when you get to college, you're gonna need to learn how to type papers instead of writing everything out by hand. Also, when you grow up, you might get a job that requires you to type. And there's lots of positions that require you, even if you get a first job before you go to college, and maybe it's a secretary or something, you need to learn how to type well. You can get a job a lot easier if you know how to type, okay? So they did handwriting. I'm gonna do history with with Aaron next. Let's do math lesson. So Aaron is going to do a math lesson. She's gonna probably read first. So when I go to the dentist, Aaron, you have to read and do math, and I'll give you a little like creative writing assignment, okay? And then that's it. When we get home today, we'll try to find some time to get outside. As we're on a time crunch, I'm gonna read this to him. Eventually, I want to read it to him to go through it with him. Make sure we're understanding everything. This is a history of us. Before we jumping into the Tuttle twins history, I want him to understand the basics first. So we'll probably get into the Tuttle twins history when we get to book 2. Remember which chapter we're on, Aaron? I'll check the workbook. Here's the study guide. To the Ohio River and even beyond, don't tree and never touch the ground. It is a fine place to be a squirrel and not a bad place for human beings. Unfortunately, I have to end this video even though our school day is not done, but I do have to take my oldest daughter to the dentist for an appointment. So I've left instructions for the kids to do. Arlen has her list here. I didn't get to do my elbow exercises. I have to do it when I get back, but she's gonna do a page of math and language arts, which is just a review from her last year. Her daily spelling activity, which today is to write sentences. She has her words over there. She's gonna read from 10 to 20 minutes, and then that's it. And then she's reading right now Peter Rabbit and 11 Other Favorite Tales. And then Aaron is gonna finish his history. He's going to answer the questions in this book. For his writing today, he has to imagine he's an Eastern Woodland or Iroquois Indian and just do this little activity here. He's gonna do a math lesson, and then he's gonna read for 20 to 30 minutes the Left Behind series. And when they are done, they are allowed to play with toys or build Lego sets or do something creative. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.